All right, we got a wonderful quick review of a program called ReCut. We're gonna make this short, but this is what we've been using. I just got this yesterday, and we're gonna check out how to use ReCut to cut the silence in our edits, hopefully to make our editing faster. Let's check it out. ReCut is a budget alternative for Descript. Now, I wanted to get Descript because I'm trying to streamline my edits because I don't want to have to work extra hard. So you have different apps that will take your video and chop out the silences, okay? So I used it last night. I bought the lifetime subscription for ReCut, and I used it last night, and I noticed that at the end of my video, there was like a 3-second logo, and it cut that too. So not really cool, but it's already all uploaded to YouTube. Here what we're gonna do is try to address that problem. Okay, so look at this. Boom. Automatically, it analyzes my video and it makes cuts. These red marks are cuts. All right, so it took, I think this is a 5-minute video. Yeah, see, it was 5 minutes. And then it brings it down to 4 minutes without silence. 79 cuts. It just, boom, automatically in seconds. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to show some, quick trip. I said I'm not going to edit out my edits, but yeah, I can't do it. And now this is the problem at the end where it sliced it off. So I'm not sure yet how to fix this, but I don't want that. I think you can go to segments here, you go to clips. So now hopefully I can see my clips, and I want to edit my clip. How do I get my thing back? This is the trick. What is this? Auto scroll, skip on, cuts. How do I check out my cut? So you have these parameters here. You can remove silence. You go up here, remove silence. You have the threshold, how long you want it to be. Like, so I'm gonna go 0.2 seconds is fine. But then when I want it, if it goes past that, then it's gonna make a slice. And the minimum duration, silence longer than this will be cut. So if it's silence, if I'm going silent longer than 0.3 seconds, cut it. And then also the padding, leave space between cuts. So instead of just making really short cuts so that the words, there's like it doesn't sound natural, then it sounds like AI. We don't want that. We can just leave the space. I put 2 seconds in the beginning and 0.2 in the beginning and 0.2 at the end. And then remove short audio spikes. Audible clips shorter than this will be cut. All right, so what I want to do though, somehow, how do we find out how to split the timeline into sections and export a batch of files so you can split on silence? So you can do that, create one section. Create one section, I don't know. What do I do over here? Split clip. I don't want to split clip. I wonder if I can just undo that. No, I can't just undo that. Doesn't work like that. Yes, I can. So always, if you're using a Mac, you want to use Command Z. Command Z is the magic key shortcut, magic shortcut. All right, kids? Take off the, okay, so you can, no, that turns the look off, turns the look on. This turns the, what is that? Oh, it turns the, so that shows it turns the cuts off from where the cuts are. Is this interesting or is it boring, you kids? All right, so you can see where the cuts are in red. You can turn it off or turn it on to see where it is. My problem still is that I want back my logo there. How do you like adjust so my logo's not. Do we need our logo there or no? We do, right? We want it. What's this? Sections. Export sections as separate files. Audio, that's good. I think we just have to take it and then put it back there and edit it because I don't know another way. All right, so there you have it. That's how you do ReCut. Yay, ReCut. All right, so we just figured out a hack because we were getting our logo trimmed off in ReCut. So what we want to do here is go to the grayed out mark in the timeline and pull it back. Yes, yes, yes. See, these wins, we want to share these wins with you because these wins are helping us and it's going to help you. Christmas and clean. Let's see what it says. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Oh, the logo's there, right? All right, so I think that's all we need. Now that we found out how to do that, let's remove our silence and see if it's still there. So we remove our silence because we moved our end pin and then we go here at the end and let's see. Problem is, oh, thing is in the way. So look at that, it's there, right? Boom. Move that audio and just kept the one audio. So it's crisp and clean. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Okay, so that's how you do it. Boom. Great. I hope you enjoyed this short video of us giving you, oh, we're not done yet. What am I doing? All right, so we're gonna show how to export this now. So you just gotta go up here, you remove the silence. We just trimmed a minute off our video, and we're gonna go to export it. We could watch it through to make sure it lines up, but I don't really, I'm gonna do that this time, that important. And we're gonna go to export. So MP4, export that out, original size, everything looks great. We're going here, it's exporting. We go to clean shot. All right, let's go, let's put it in here. Or we can put that now in Braeside Academy. Let's put that in finished videos. And it's working. See the little blue line? You gotta wait for that little blue line up here. I like this guy. Come on, guys. Can't wait until. I ain't gonna make you sit here and watch while we like do that, but anyways, we'll give you a second. But anyways, that's how it does. Yeah, we'll pause it so we can come back to you on that. Still going. A few moments, years later. All right, so as you see, export is complete. Hallelujah. We just completed the export. So then, that's it. ReCut. Let's do it. Let's go.